has officially started and we need to change our beauty routine. So I made a list of 10 things I do to look my best, feel best, and feel more confident. And I wanted to share it with you. I don't want to say anything extra. Let's just quickly start the video. Hi guys, my name is Saba and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I made a list of 10 things I do to look my best. Okay, the first thing is always having your nails done. You can just do a simple manicure, nothing extra. Just be put together, clean, classy, and chic. You don't need to go for different designs, extra things on your nails. I don't like them. I don't find them classy and chic. Just always have your nails done and clean. Your nails and your hands are one of the first things that whenever people see you, notice about you, and they tell a lot about you. So if they're not clean and put together, people will think that you were sloppy, and this is not how we want to look like. So always take care of your hands and your nails. Take care of your hands with hand creams and you are good to go. Very simple yet very effective. The second tip is for perfume and how you smell. How you smell is one of the most important features about you. You don't need to buy niche perfumes, very expensive perfumes, rare perfumes to smell good. You just have to smell clean and buy a perfume that you like and you are confident in. And one thing about applying perfume, always apply your perfume in sandwich method. For your perfume to last longer, you have to apply perfume, then lotion. Again, apply perfume on top of it, and on the last layer apply lotion again, and you will see that your perfume will last so much longer and you will thank me later. It is one of the most effective methods to let your perfume last longer. I don't like applying Vaseline on your perfume and then perfume on top of it. I've tried it, didn't have that much of an effect, but the sandwich method works best on you. And whenever I go, people ask me what perfume you're using, and it lasts so much long. Make sure that your lotion is close or the same scent of your perfume, or at least it completes it. And if you're layering your perfume, they are good together. The third tip is understanding your face features and doing your hair and makeup according to that. You need to understand your face features to enhance your own beauty, and to look your best you don't need to look like someone else. And just because something looks better on some people doesn't mean that it has to look good on you. People have different face shapes and different features. You have to bold your strong parts in your face and let eyes focus on that feature or features, and just understand what is your face shape and do everything according to that. And it is one of the most important things, because even if you are doing the best makeup and hairstyle, but if it doesn't suit your face feature and your face shape, it does not look good on you, or let me say, it does not look best on you. So as I said, understand your face shape and your face features and do everything according to that. The next thing is about your brows. I am not the best person to talk about them right now because I have not plucked my eyebrows in months and I haven't done them, but always brush your brows and have them done. Your brows are one of the most important features in your face. Do your brows at home yourself, or if you cannot do them, go to a good brow lady. Go find a good brow lady, take your time. Next is always have your hair done, and you don't necessarily need to go to beauty salons and let them do your hair every day. That also damages your hair. Just comb your hair every day, style them in the most simple way you can do, and try to avoid it as much as possible because that will damage your hair a lot. Just always look put together and clean. This is the most important part about a woman, not only a woman, about everyone. Next step, coming to body and body care. Exfoliate your body 1 or 2 times a week. With exfoliating your body 2 times a week, you will clean your skin, your perfume will last much longer, and you will have a glowy skin. And also use aloe vera gel on daily basis for getting your skin hydrated. Especially now that the weather is getting colder, we need to take more care of our skin. I also wanted to add that your face skin type might be different different than your body skin type. And just because your face is, for example, dry or combination, doesn't mean that your body is also dry or combination. For example, I have a very, very, very dry body skin, but my face is combination. So try to find out what is your skin type and your body skin type and use everything according to that. Next is my favorite tip, and it is using hair perfume or hair mist. Just keep in mind that you shouldn't use your body mist or your perfume on your hair. That will cause you hair loss. Go to whatever store you want and buy a hair perfume or a hair mist. I love my hair to smell good, and I love her perfumes, and as I said, I love perfumes, but hair perfumes are on another level for me. One of my favorite tips for not only fall but for all of the season. Next is again about hair, and it is oiling your hair every night. Oiling the ends of your hair. You don't need to use too much oil. You don't need to use too much oil because your hair will look greasy and oily. The only times that you can use too much oil is whenever you want to take a shower in the same day. I oil the ends of my hair every night, and whenever I want to take a shower, I oil them from here. I don't put oil on the roots of my hair. As I said, I oil them from here, let it stay for 1 to 2 hours, then take a shower, and this has helped me a lot. Just make sure that you are using natural oil. Next tip is always brush your teeth 30 minutes after every meal. This is the easiest way to get white and healthy teeth. And coming to the last tip, you have heard it a lot, but I'm just gonna mention it because it is very important yet very easy and effective. Drinking 8 glasses of water every day. Drinking enough water has many benefits for your body, for your skin, for your health, for everything. But one of the things that I want to talk about right now is that whenever you are drinking enough water, your skin will get shiny and glowy. Whenever I'm not drinking enough water, I get headache. As soon as I start drinking enough water, I get rid of it. So this is one of the most important yet most effective ways to look better and feel better. And yeah, this is it. This was 10 best tips that I wanted to talk about in this video. I'm probably gonna make a second video about the rest of the tips that I want to share with you. And yeah, if you've watched till here, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.